Guru Srimati Sita Nagajoti is a well-established name in the field of Kuchipudi. Her work to develop Kuchipudi is par excellent. For her contributions to the field of teaching and propagating Kuchipudi for half a century, Sangeet Natak Academy has produced a documentary, The Life and Works of Guru Srimati Sita Nagajoti, in the recent past. She was born to Srimati Kavali Seshasai and Kavali Sri Ram Murthy at the then small town Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Her father was a lawyer by profession and mother a homemaker who was ambitious to dream big for her daughter. Noticing her talent for dancing at a very young age, her mother enrolled her to a nearby dance class and kept it a secret from rest of her family till Sita was able to reach a considerable prowess in the art. Then the mother-daughter duo were encouraged by the family to move to Hyderabad to continue her training in Kuchipudi under the able guidance of Srimati Sumati Kaushal. She completed her Rangapravesham very soon. Now Sita at this stage wanted to take up Kuchipudi as her profession. They then moved to Chennai to learn from Kuchipudi maestro himself, Guru Vempatichina Satyam, who was establishing Kuchipudi Art Academy. She received Natya Visharada within 2 years and was asked to assist in teaching by her Guru. She conducted several performances alongside Guru Vempati and continued to train a few thousand artists in Kuchipudi Art Academy for 15 years, both in regular class and workshop formats. She continued performing in his dance dramas in major roles and was actively involved during his choreographies of solo numbers as well as the dramas. Hindolam Tillana was choreographed on her for her Rangapravesham by Padma Bhushan Dr. Vempatichina Satyam. She also headed teaching at Hyderabad branch of Kuchipudi Art Academy. She then returned to Chennai to continue her classes at Chennai's Kuchipudi Art Academy. After her marriage to Sri P. Nagajoti, who was also training at the academy in Kuchipudi, they moved to Delhi with an ambition to establish Kuchipudi in the north. Continuing to perform alongside teaching, they established Abhinaya Pranita Kuchipudi Art Society and conducted regular classes at Delhi Tamil Sangam, Vasant Vihar, Subrato Park, Palam, Pitampura in New Delhi. Currently, they are also teaching at Triveni Kala Sangam. They have taught Kuchipudi to several foreign nationals who came to learn and enrich their knowledge about Indian culture. They together trained many students who completed their Rangapravesham. They are also very actively involved in guiding these youngsters to become professional artists of Kuchipudi. Over the years, they have led their disciples to earn scholarships in Kuchipudi from the Ministry of Culture, both at senior and junior levels. Their disciples have performed for ICCR and have become teachers of Kuchipudi abroad through ICCR. Sita and Nagajoti have shaped their daughter Abhinaya Nagajoti as a Kuchipudi artist, performing the world over and teaching Kuchipudi. In the recent past, they toured several African countries for the Festivals of India Abroad organized by Government of India. Guru Sita Nagajoti instills not only the style of Vempati in all her disciples through performance, but also encourages scholarly discipline in them to educate themselves in the art through not only self-research but also enrolling into formal Kuchipudi courses provided by universities such as Potti Sri Ramalu. She is also shaping them into research scholars. Several of her disciples are training as doctoral research scholars from JNU. She herself was a recipient of National Fellowship of Ministry of Culture, Government of India, for which she researched on Vritti and Pravritti of Natya Shastra and their application and usage in Kuchipudi. For her contributions propagating Kuchipudi all her life, several national and international organizations have felicitated her with numerous awards and accolades in the past 5 decades. She has conducted workshops and classes at England and USA in the past decade. Her disciples are graded Doordarshan artists and have performed for several festivals like Khajuraho Dance Festival, Chidambaram Natyanjali Festival, Mahabalipuram Dance Festival, Sangeet Natak Academy Yuva Mahotsav, Nada Neerajanam at Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam, Delhi International Art Festival, Kuchipudi Tableau of Republic Day Parade, Kalakshetra Foundation, and conducted demonstrations for SPIC-MACABE and IRCEN. Under her guidance, several online workshops for professional Kuchipudi artists were conducted alongside the regular classes. Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti remains one of the few artists who proudly continues her guru's legacy, Padma Bhushan, late Dr. Vempatichinna Satyam.